Welcome back to all of you. Today's story's name is Bunny. Let's start together. This is two Bunny. Bunny is with his friends today, and there's no game they love to play. Bunny, don't you peek? Bunny, hide and seek. See the bunny. He's hiding and seeking. And now Bunny is jumping on the spot. Let's see Bunny coming ready or not. Bunny running fast rushes by and speeds right past. Now it's running fast. Now Bunny hopping here and there. Bunny misses here. Now he is missing. Bunny sniffs around but doesn't like the smell he's found. Bunny trying not to fall. Misses friends both big and small. Bunny busy stretching high. Fail to see what mole can spy. Bunny busy stretching high fails to see what mole can spy. Now Bunny searching on the ground. If only he would turn around. Bunny looking down. His smiley turning to a frown. Bunny, what to do now? Hello, Bunny. He's Bunny, see, looking nice and charming. Peek a poo. And the story has been ended. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care to yourself. See ya with another story.